Hi, it's me, Mila Rose, and today we're here to do a budget video. I finally redid my budgets. Oh my goodness, I did my budgeting sheets. And so I actually have the budgets that go to one account all on one sheet, and then the budgets that are in another account to another sheet. So we're gonna do the budgets for my first account, and then I'll come back for the next video and do for the second account. But guess what, y'all? It's for July. So look how cute. My friend bought me this because he knows I love Studio Ghibli. So this is my neighbor Totoro for July. So I like to keep this, and it just keeps me up to date with everything. And so this month, as you see, we have 4th of July coming up, so I have that day off. Yes, and I actually took off this week, so I'll be able to relax. And then I come back on the 5th, and then I have a week, 4 days technically, 4 days that I'll be spending in Atlanta this month. So this is going to be a super busy month. I'm honestly kind of not looking forward to it. So just time-wise, because I'm trying to relax more, but part of that will help me is getting my budget together. So let's get into it. Let's get going. If you enjoyed videos about designing a life you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all in just 1 minute. Okay, as you all know, here's my notebook with my cheat notes. I don't even remember what the paycheck was, the date for this one was, but we start off with our first paycheck, and it all goes towards mortgage and envelopes. My envelopes will be changing. Oh, that's in June. I was like, that's not right. Because I was like, no, envelopes have changed. Yes, okay. Envelopes are changing. They have been $300 for so long. And I upped them to $330 so that I could put an extra $15 a week for gas, because that's how much more I need a week for gas. That's insane. That's $60. No, that's $30. $60 total for the month. Yeah, that's an extra $60 a month going towards gas. That's just astronomical to me. So for now, it will be 1468 that will go towards mortgage, and then envelopes will be $330 starting this month, and that will give me a total of 1798, and that zeroes that one out. So that one's super easy, super quick. So now we get to the one where we actually have to put some money in some places. So we're going to do mortgage. Left over from what we needed to cover my actual mortgage is $480. Envelopes will be $330. AT&T is going to be $71. Geico. Oh, you know what? I don't know if that's actually how much Geico is going to be, because I just got a new Geico bill. So let's check out. Okay, so I have it at $183. I'm going to leave that one there because that'll be fine. And so for July, it's actually going to be $178, and then it jumps up to $190.45, and then it'll be back to $188.54, which I'm like, oh, that's expensive. That's like a increase of what? Just about $10. So annoying, because that's not what I'm budgeting for. I'm not budgeting to add an extra $10 here. I'm like, where do I get this $10 from to cover that? I'm gonna have to find it somewhere else. So T-Mobile is $181. Hopefully that one won't change. Gym is $11. Still have my gym membership actually going now, so that's nice. Hopefully I can keep that up. Netflix is $17. Home gets $60. Emergency gets $100. NTTA gets $20. Cushion gets $9. Like I've already had to find $15 extra to put in, or $30 extra to put into my envelopes. And now I'm gonna have to find an extra $10 to put into for Geico. Like, ridiculous, y'all. Adobe is 25. Water is 91. Business, oh, I've been taking it from my business. That's where I realized I got the extra money from. Gets 30. What is this? It's DAQ. It's a Visa now. Gets 15. And then I'm putting electricity. Oh, and I put down electricity. So electricity is getting 100. Okay. So let me go through and actually add that up, because I'm not 100% sure that that actually adds up to what I needed to. So let's make sure that we are on track. So 498 plus 330 plus 71 plus 183 plus 181 plus 11 plus 17 plus 60 plus 100 plus 20 plus 9 plus 25 plus 91 plus 30 plus 15 plus 100. Okay, so we're $10 over. 498, 330, 71, 183, 181, 11, 17, 60, 100, 29, 25, 91, 30, 15, and 10. Oh my goodness. So we need to get rid of $10. So we're gonna take, business will get 20, and that'll cover that. Okay. Then on the next time, we're gonna have to get rid of $10 more. This is absolutely ridiculous, y'all. Not sustainable. Okay, so that's our budget then. Total expenses 1731. Ridiculous. Okay, so I might maybe take away 20. Take away, instead of doing 25 for clothes every 2 weeks, maybe just do 20, and then I'll have the extra 10, and I won't have to borrow from anything else, and the rest of my budget can stay the same. That might actually be like my best bet, because I've already decreased NTTA down to from 40 to 20 so that I could make the adjustment. If you compare, that's where I got some of the money from initially. I got 20 from here, and then I took business used to get, I don't even remember how much business used to get, and so now that's going up there. I needed an extra 10, so I probably took a 10 from there. So and then I was off already, so another 10. So here we go, y'all. This is the adjusting of the budget so that we could actually do the things we need to do. I also, though, am needing to adjust how much is taken out for taxes. So we're gonna have to see what that ends up looking like and how that changes my budget, and if I have to adjust it even more. So we shall see. But so far for July, this is it. We're set, and for this account. So I will come back for my next video, and we will look at my other account and maybe do a little cash dividing for that one. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you have a great day, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.